My name is Dr. Anderson. This is Med Micro. Where's everyone else?
They have
not get back. Okay then, that sucks. Okay, well, since you guys are the only ones here, how would you guys like to hear a story?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, well, I'll tell you guys the story of Aaron and how he got gangrene. So this disease is caused by a bacterium called Clostridium perfringens. It's gram-positive rod-shaped bacteria, and it's an obligate anaerobe. It does not tolerate oxygen. It forms endospores that are resistant to antibiotics, temperature changes, and disinfectants. And its reservoir is soil and animal intestines through their feces. It is transmitted through the parenteral route. It means it enters through open wounds or compromised tissue. It can't spread from person to person, only from contact from infected feces or soil.
It was a normal day at school. About 2 o'clock. I wasn't going to Med Micro. I started to get thirsty, so I went and I tried to find a drinking fountain. I looked throughout the whole place and finally found one. Little did I know my world was about to turn upside down. The bacteria enters via dirt or feces contaminated wounds with significant vascular damage. Penetrating traumatic injury makes it difficult to remove the pathogen from damaged tissue. Traumatic injury to a tissue reduces blood supply to the muscle. This creates a lack of O2, which provides a suitable environment for the bacteria to grow. With reduced blood supply, normal host defenses are impaired. The pathogen produces at least 20 different toxins. Alpha toxin is the primary cause of damage. Many are hemolytic, which means they destroy red blood cells, and some are dermonecrotic. They kill soft tissue.
So, what brings you in today?
Well, yesterday I fell on my way to class and cut my hand, and I haven't felt very good. And I woke up and my hand's really big.
Well, did you clean the cut after it happened?
Only in the lake when I was feeding the ducks after class.
So, well, I think you have gas gangrene. It's been about 24 hours and your hand is like swollen and seems pretty painful. Your skin has changed color. It's kind of blue-black right now, which the swelling is restricting your blood flow, which makes it easier for the bacteria to spread.
Why is my hand swollen and full of air?
Well, fermentation of glucose is the main mechanism of gas production, and the gas breaks apart the muscle bundles and facilitates rapid spread of the infection.
Listen, I have a question.
Yeah.
What's the gangrene look like?
Well,
Ooh, I don't like that. Ooh.
okay, well, we have your test results back, and you do have gas gangrene. We did a gram stain of your pus sample, and we looked at the tissue under a microscope. To treat your gangrene, in very extreme cases, we would use a hyperbaric chamber to increase oxygen flow to your hand, or do surgery and amputate it. And then we will treat you with antibiotics, penicillin and clindamycin to be specific. Penicillin attacks the pathogen by affecting the cell wall formation, and we will be giving you 2 to 4 million units every 4 to 6 hours until you are done with your treatment. Clindamycin prevents protein synthesis, and we will give you 150 to 450 milligrams every 6 hours. If you're allergic to penicillin, we would give you metronidazole, about 500 milligrams every 6 hours. When metronidazole interacts with the pathogen's DNA and protein synthesis. So in the future, next time you get a cut, you are going to want to clean your injuries and clean fresh water, soap, things like that, and avoid tobacco products because they can cause poor circulation, and just contact your medical professionals at the first signs of infection. Okay, well, let me demonstrate this for you.
Do you know what? It's a boring class. We should skip it.
Hot Rod, we're having a Mac attack. Well, even though they gave me the $10,000, they're still not getting that C.